Hi, my name is Aarzoo Khurana and I'm a wildlife and nature photographer. Let's see how we can make your travel, wildlife and nature photographs better with all my secret tips and tricks. My first tip would be to bring in the human element as much as you can. It adds a highly emotional and relatable touch to your photographs. In this photograph, the landscape is very beautiful, but the people in the center of it make it more appealing. When you have the rule of thirds grid switched on in your smartphone camera, you will be able to see the placement of your subject in a wider landscape and correct the composition before you click. Important elements can be placed at one of the golden points or at least at the lines to make the composition look more appealing. When you are traveling and taking pictures, you have the opportunity of bringing a lot of culture in your photographs. Try not to incorporate random elements at random places in your photographs. Maybe consider filling the entire frame in order to give it more depth and perhaps a minimal look. In this photo, the man is the subject, but the background and foreground of the image tells us a great deal about the place where he is. This is either a marketplace or a fair where the photographer chanced upon this man and captured that happiness on his face. Consider playing with the bokeh to give that background and foreground separation with a certain depth. Another important tip would be to click contrasty images and pick contrasty colors from the palette. Every color has a visual weight, and if used properly, it can carry the voice of the photographer successfully. This photo catches my attention because the yellows are used against the blue sky. Both the colors stand out. The idea of clicking the man as a silhouette adds an element of secrecy to the image. Quick tip about getting the right colors in your photograph. Adjust the color temperature, that is the white balance, to correct any color casts in your photo. If you manage to get the whites as proper whites, all colors would come out proper and without any color casts. In post, you can play with the saturation and hues to make the image appear like your signature shot, your own voice. This is all. Now click some amazing photographs and send them to me by participating in OPPO Imagine If India Photography Awards 2024.